So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sample, and without dropping this in the toilet, we're gonna sample this right here. Music producers, before you watch today's video, I want to give you a heads up that when I started making the sound design video, it was just supposed to be another YouTube upload, but then it became a little bit bigger than what I was anticipating. And that being said, I want to make sure I give you a disclaimer about some great news is going to happen because of this video. So I was making this video, I was putting these sounds together, I was making some goofy sounds out of some goofy sounds, and it was coming out pretty dope. And then the homie Larry O hit me up. You may know him from YouTube or from IG. He's really big in the producer community, if you get me. He's really somebody that gives out a lot of great information. He hit me up and he was like, yo, let's do a content collaboration. I was like, I'm super down. And when we were brainstorming ideas, I came up with the idea. I said, man, I just did a video where I took sounds around my house and I started pretty much making sounds out of scratch from them. And he was like, that's super dope. I was like, how do you feel if you and I both collaborate on this kit and then just give it out for free to the audience or just to the folks that love our content? He was like, that's even a doper idea. And then on top of that, you're going to be able to see this if you follow us on IG. We're going to swap each other's drum kits within the same kit that you guys are going to get it for free. We're going to swap the drum kits and then make a beat using each other's drum kit. It's going to be a super, super dope drum kit that you can get for free right now below in the description. I would say the name, but it's not even a name right now as of the recording of this, but just know that it's going to be fire regardless of what the hell it's called. But it's down there in the description. Go ahead and grab it, man. I look forward to you guys watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Peace. These are not a sponsor, but shout out to Zoom microphone because I found a microphone that allows me to attach it straight to my iPhone and get a really crisp sound on it, as if I'm out here doing, like, what do you call it, Foley, whatever it's called, Foley, I think. I'm out here getting clear sound, plus I got my microphone cover. And ever since I went to Atlanta and talked to Steven from Cymatics and Drew, it's got me really, really inspired to jump back into sound design. So today what I want to do is just look around the house and try to find as many things as possible to sample, sound design, and turn into whatever we turn them into. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, or make, I should say, but I know it's a bunch of shit in this house that's about to get sampled. It's super dope because it hooks straight up to your iPhone. I'll leave something in the description so you guys can see about it. But it's super dope because even like here, I got this app that I found. What is it called? AVR Pro is what I'm using. And then literally I'm just gonna be recording straight from here. I think that's enough. That's definitely going to have to be hi-hatted up. So what I'm gonna do is make a pattern just to make sure it's sounding hi-hatty. All right, let's tweak it some more. That sound like a hi-hat to me. So let's export that out, and we're gonna call this Roly Toy FX.
Listen to the music, get on your feet, move like the animal, stomp your feet, one like a penguin, stretch up tall like the giraffe, dance like the monkey and laugh, laugh, laugh.
Ain't nobody dancing like a damn monkey in here.
Get on, that's the giraffe. Animal stomp, move like the animal, stomp your feet, move like the animal, stomp your feet, move like the animal, move like the animal, stomp your feet, move like the animal, stomp your feet, move like the animal, stomp your feet.
All right, so take that. kick. Okay. Trash ass kick. This is a heavy ass door. It's one of my favorite sounds in the house. That's a weird thing to say. Okay, this is definitely getting sampled. Okay, here we go. Ugh, that's... Alright, so we're going to send that as a wave. We're just going to call this Door Smacker FX. Skillet snare. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sample, and without dropping this in the toilet, we're gonna sample this right here. I don't know if you're getting the same satisfaction listening out there, but it's subby in here. Yo, that's a toilet turned into an 808. Gonna get this button really quick. So I need to sweeten this up because right now it sounds good. It could sound better. So I'm not keeping this. I may make it a melody loop. You guys can keep that too. But I just want to get something there so I can hear what it sounds like when I start to open it up and make it brighter. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. So take this flute. Okay, like I said in the beginning of this video, if you stayed to the end, we have a gift for you. Not that you had to stay to the end, but go ahead into the description below, get your free download of the drum kit. Shout out to the homie Larry O. Go check him out on Instagram, Larry O. Go check out his YouTube channel. I'll leave that in the description below, but please do us a favor, cook up a beat and then tag us on IG of the beat that you made with our kit and let us know how it goes. This is the first time I'm giving you permission to tag me on IG, so you better take advantage of it. That being said, it's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com. Have a good one.